This remedy will help to make your skin supple, will make your skin bright and clear. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Here on this channel, I share beauty tips and hair tips. Check my videos, you see so many hair tips that will help you greatly. And for a while now, I've been posting things to take care of your face, to take care of your skin, to make your skin younger, to make your skin look beautiful with no makeup. This treatment will help to get rid of so many skin conditions like removing dryness, getting rid of signs of aging, like removing wrinkles and fine lines, making your skin vibrant and more beautiful. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So with few ingredients in the kitchen, I'm going to be listing them one after the other, showing you the right measurements, showing you how to apply it, when to apply it for best result. So you have to apply this in the morning. Okay, it's not as if you cannot use it at night. Use it in the morning before going out. Apply your makeup and you see your skin blending and you see your skin glowing. So most times, like, I don't really like makeups because I don't like going out with makeup. If you are the type that cannot do without makeup, you have to treat your skin first. Like, the foundation matters. So use this treatment before you apply your makeup and you thank me later. Okay, so the ingredients are purely natural. Like, I'll be showing you one after the other. Here we have oat powder. The work of oat powder for your skincare helps to keep your skin hydrated. This is mostly for people that have dry, flaky skin. Like, your skin is so dry, your skin is so rough, your skin is so dull. It helps to exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells, and the result, of course, will give you a brighter, uniform skin that glows. So try to get oat powder. If your oat powder is not in a ground form, like not in a smooth powder, please just blend it until it gets to that smooth powder form. The next one I'm going to show you, which is very, very important, is green tea. So get your green tea, any type of green tea, okay? You can use the one that is plainly green tea, or you can use the one that has orange or cinnamon, whichever one, but it's best to make use of a plain green tea. Any brand is okay. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that helps to slow down aging process, removing wrinkles. You know, it helps to delay signs of aging like removing wrinkles and fine lines. It makes your skin to look tighter by firming your skin. Like those that have saggy skin, you start noticing sagginess, please make use of this treatment. It helps a lot. There are different ways to make use of your green tea, but in this particular way, I'm going to be showing you how to empty all the content into this bowl. Everything, you know, this helps better. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you different ways anyway. So green tea will help you greatly to look younger, to get a more youthful skin that you love. So the next one is sugar. Sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid, a mild one that helps greatly for skin. What it does for the skin is to keep it hydrated. For those that have dry, flaky skin, it helps keep it supple. Like, your skin will glow definitely. I love sugar because it firms the skin. If you apply it on your skin, you see your skin getting firmer and tighter. Also, it helps to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells, and you just love the result. Like, you love how your skin will look. Even if you are using cosmetics, it's very important to make use of things like this. The foundation matters, to open your pores so that your skincare products will work better on your skin. So the next one here is rose water. So I'm going to be showing you when to use rose water, the right amount. Yeah, rose water is better than ordinary water when it comes to making remedies like this, because you benefit so much from rose water, unlike ordinary water. Rose water glows the skin. It balances skin pH. If you have dry skin, it hydrates your skin. It keeps your skin hydrated. If you have oily skin, it helps to minimize so much oil from your skin. Like, your skin will just look so beautiful. You can use it as a facial toner to take care of acne, to get rid of blemishes, like with consistency, of course. Natural treatments work slowly, but it yields better results. So I want to tell you that I have beauty line for all skin types, for all skin complexion, purely natural. So I have facial products, facial care. I have good anti-aging treatment, body butters. I have for different skin complexion. Contact me for them using that WhatsApp and I'll give you what you want. You will surely love your skin. Your skin will look so beautiful. So these 4 ingredients are what you need, kitchen ingredients that works effectively. So it's time to show you the right measurements. So what I did, I measured in 1 tablespoon of oat powder as a base, of course. And remember, it's very exfoliating. So the next thing I did, I opened my tea bag. Like I said, there are different ways to make use of green tea. Either you bring it out like this, get a hot water, extract it out just the way you make your tea. Okay, just put the bag like this in water, allow it to extract out the green tea water, to extract out for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Squeeze it, use the water. That water, transfer it into this bowl, add 2 tablespoons. But in this particular one, you can see some particles, and that is because I emptied everything inside, and I love it a lot because it works better for me. So I'll just tear this open. You know, it's in a powdered form. The content is in a powdered, like in a dry form. Empty it into that oat powder that you measured in. So the next one is half tablespoon of sugar. You can make use of brown sugar, you can make use of white sugar. They are all the same, it works. But brown sugar is more mild, like for all skin types. White sugar can be a little hard for sensitive skin person. So half tablespoon, anyone you want to use, is enough. Then you know the ingredients are in powder form. You surely need rose water for mixing. You can use water anyway if you cannot get rose water. When you are getting rose water, use any brand, but just use it for mixing. You know, be mixing it little by little. There's no actual measurement. Be looking at the paste as you add it. Use spoon to mix. If it's still very strong or thick, add the little rose water. But if you make a mistake and it's so watery, you have to add more oat powder to thicken it. It has to be in a paste like this, in a thick paste. Please, this remedy, after mixing it, do not use it immediately. Allow it to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. That is to make sure that this green tea extract mix properly and infuse out. You know, we did not extract the water out, so you have to allow it, give it time to mix properly, so that when you apply it, it will yield better results. So it's time to wash off your face, remove all makeups and this. Then apply these treatments gently. I'm going to show you, of course, using my face, you know, of course, to show you how to apply it for best result. So ensure there are no deaths so that this treatment will penetrate well and work better. Okay, so I don't have deaths on my skin. I've removed all makeups, of course. So I'm going to use either my hand, yeah, I'll use my hand, or I'll use a brush to apply anyone that you feel that is okay for you. One thing about making this remedy to be in the right consistency, so that if it's watery, you know, if it's watery, it will be running down your face. If it's too thick, you will not be able to apply it. So allow it to be in the right form, so that when you apply it like this, it will stay on your skin without running down. So just apply it all over your face, and remember, under your eye is very important. Please do not miss it. This remedy is very mild for all skin types. Please apply under your eye. It takes care of eye bags, it takes care of under eye circle, and all this natural treatment helps to minimize sunburn. It's not a solution for sunburn anyway, but it helps to minimize it. And try to stay out of sun, because except you have a nice product, contact me for a very good facial care, day and night care that you will love greatly. So I'm going to leave this treatment on 15-20 minutes. You know, if you cannot apply this treatment in the morning, you can do so in the evening when you come back from work. This remedy is very good for dry skin. It hydrates it and make it moisturized. But in case you want to add oil, just add a few drops of oil. Look at my face. So whenever you apply treatments like this, when you wash it off, you will notice that your skin will get clearer and more glowing. And that is how it is, like naturally. And that is because you made use of a good treatment on your skin, and definitely you will get results. You will see results. So if you added oil into this paste, You have to use soap to wash it out, but if you do not add oil into it, you can just use ordinary water. Like me, I just use water to rinse it out. Then I'm going to apply a moisturizer of my choice to apply it so that it can penetrate and work better. You see why facial mask and facial scrub is good, so that when you apply your treatment, your facial treatment, a good one, quality ones like the ones I have on my products, it will work better. So this is what you have to do every 2 times weekly or 3 times weekly to get a supple skin, to make your skin to glow, to make your face to look like that of a baby. Your face will be looking so beautiful, glowing all the time. Even if you are using makeup, you will notice difference. Of course, you don't need heavy makeup. Your light makeup will just blend. You'll be seeing through your skin will just be glowing. You see how rich natural look you get. So use this treatment instead of makeup, or use it before your makeup and you thank me later. You can store the remaining to use next time in the refrigerator. So if you are making a large amount, you just have to double the ingredients, double the quantities. I said 1 tablespoon of oat powder. You can double it so that it will be enough for you to apply on your body. Apply all over your body, leave it for some time, then rinse it out. You see your body, your skin will be looking like egg yolk. You see your skin looking like that of a baby, smooth and beautiful always. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.